Competitors coming out now for round 1, event 3 on the programme. There we see the first 6 rows of the grid with Robert Spencer on pole position, and alongside Robert is Duncan Auckland. A full grid of cars coming out for this race in dry, warm, sunny conditions. First lap down through the avenue and into Foster's, and it's a clear lead for the poleman, Robert Spencer. Second is Danny Keenan, then it's Paul Dobson, Peter Davis, Cam Forbes, Duncan Auckland, and the rest of the pack. And the last car through is the little Persia 106 of 78, Mike Nash. Second lap for the leader, Robert Spencer. Robert also leading Class C. Up into second now is Paul Dobson, leading Class D from Danny Keenan, Peter Davis, Cam Forbes and Duncan Falkland. 37 is Brian Allen.